Hi friends, welcome to Aisha's DIY. It's been quite a while since I posted any video. Gina's treasure bag has come and she has sent me one. I know this is a little bit late, but I was on a vacation actually to India, and then I just came home. So this is it, the unboxing of the treasure bag. It really looks very beautiful, and let's see what it is. It's a nice aquamarine color organza bag. I really love this color. It's one of my favorite. It might look very blue to you in the camera, but in reality it is a turquoise blue. It's very greenish, kind of a mint green, you can say. So as this list of materials, it looks more blue, and then but it looks turquoise blue in person. So it's Deep Sea Jewels GGC treasure bag. In this bag of dreams, where enchantment resides, there lies a treasure of crystalline tides, a beach-themed bead bag, a vessel of delight with hues of the ocean and sky, a mesmerizing sight. Within its depths, a shimmering ocean's embrace adorned with whimsical grace. In this bag, you will find 28 items. Which bag gives you 28 items? I hardly know. This is an overlook of what is in here. I will get sorted and come back. So this treasure bag is not a monthly subscription, so it gets available and then you buy it. Once it's sold out. That's about it. And it might be once a month or twice, bi-monthly, or whenever it is available. So if you want to grab this bag, and it gets sold pretty fast, like 2 to 3 days tops. So if you go to Ggc'sTreasureBag.com and sign up, you will get a notification when the next bag will be available, so that you can buy immediately. Normally it will be on a Saturday. I will leave down the description box below the link for Ggc'sTreasureBag.com. It's by Gina, and let me get sorted and come back. So the first item on the list is a 16-inch strand of a creamy white dyed glass pulse. So let's look into the first item, which is this right here. Okay, it's a 16-inch strand. We have multiple full size strands, not even full, bigger strand. 15 to 16 is the normal size of a strand, but you get with this treasure bag mostly twice the size, or at least 1.5 the size. So this is a 16-inch 6mm creamy white dyed pearl, glass pearl, that strand. The second one is a 23-inch strand, 6x4mm opal finish faceted flat round beads. Okay, so which is this right here. Very, very pretty. This is like a coin shaped bead, right? So that's how it looks. So you can see how long the strand is. Then the third one is again 20-inch strand, 8x5.5mm rainbow aquamarine faceted flat round beads. So which is this? Again, very pretty, extremely pretty one. And it's long too. So that's that. Then we have a 15-inch 4x4mm sea green cuboid crystal beads, approximately 100 beads, which is this right here. Cuboid beads are very pretty. I really like the shape. So that's that. Then we have 15-inch strand 6x4mm dark sea green faceted glass rice beads, approximately 67 beads, which is this right here. This looks, no, not this one right here. I think I mistook that, which is this dark sea green glass rice beads. which is this. I was thinking it is a 15-inch strand, it looks long. So this is the one. Again, really nice, right? Then we have 21-inch strand frosted rainbow white column beads, which is this right here. So I have made a bracelet with it before, so I really like the shape. It's very unique. Then we have 14-inch strand 4mm round opaque sea green faceted glass beads, approximately 95 beads. Let me see once again, which is this right here. Very pretty. This color is really nice. I normally like this color a lot. Then we have a 16-inch strand 4x3mm silk sky blue faceted glass roundel beads. 125 beads are there approximately. So she gives the number of beads as well. 16-inch strand, as you can see. Then still our strands are not done yet, okay? We have much more. 18-inch strand 7.5 by 4.5mm opaque painted crackle glass column beads. So which is this right here. We already saw one column bead. This is again another one. These are painted beads and it looks amazing. The color is very pretty. Even the camera is picking out the color, which I am surprised, but I love this. Very pretty. Then we have a 20-inch strand 6.5 by 3.5mm light cyan luster glass cuboid beads. These are the cuboid beads, as you guys can see. You can see how long this is. This strand is extremely pretty luster there. Then we have 14 7.5 by 7.5mm dark cyan electroplated glass barrel beads. Very cute. That's that. Then we have 15 grade A 10mm no 5 sea green electroplated glass diagonal drilled cube beads. These are diagonally drilled cube beads. That means, let me see, goes through this. See, it's diagonally drilled, right? Then we have 10mm faceted round crystal beads, grade AAA 15, and there is 5 blue, 5 clear, 5 dark cyan. Very cute crystals these are. I have made earrings and several things out of this, and I really love this. Very pretty. They are really nice. And this grade AAA actually is grade AAA. You can see the shine and everything in the crystal. Pretty ones. Then we have glass fish beads, 5 yellow and 4 clear, 14 by 10mm, totally 9 beads. So we have 5 yellow and 4 clear fish beads. Then we have starfish beads. These are sea green glass starfish beads. They are 20 in number, 14 by 15 into 6.5 millimeter. They are very pretty as well. I love this. Okay. Then what do we have here? Imitation jade white glass flower beads. These are imitation jade glass flower beads. They are nice and subtle, very fresh, I would say. Then the next one is we have natural trumpet shell beads 20. They are 19 by 25 by 10 millimeter. These are natural. Very cute. Very nice beach theme means you will have to have the starfish and the shell, which we do. Then we have one sky blue and sea green rhinestone glass and platinum tone brass pendant. Which is this right here? Gorgeous pendant. I really love this pendant a lot. It has that green and the blue. And this is what it is. Very pretty. Then we have two hard shell pendants with platinum tone brass bail. So the bail is already there. You can also make this into a earring. That will also work. Then we have this 115 by trumpet rhinestone platinum tone brass pendant, pointed pendant with platinum tone alloy bail. This is opalite. It's 57 by 10 millimeter. You can see the opalite color. Very nice. Then we have 5 enameled alloy shell with acrylic pearl pendant and charms. These are cute as well. And they have painted acrylic blue color in it. The outside part is like this. You guys can see. Very cute. Then we have these rhinestone, 2 antique silver tone alloy rhinestone flip-flop pendants. These are also really cute. Beach theme actually comprises of flip-flops as well, right? So we have rhinestone flip-flops right there. Then we have mermaid pendant and links. These are 59 by 17 by 3.5 millimeter antique silver tone alloy mermaid pendants. Mermaids, very nice. You can form a set if you want to. Then what else we have? 12 turtle pendants and charms. So these are also very nice. You have mermaid, you have turtles, you have flip-flops, you have shell, you have starfish, flowers, and even hearts. So you have everything. Right? Then we have 9 to, let me see, where did I keep that one? Yeah. 9 reducer chandelier antique silver alloy components. I think these are the ones, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, these are the ones. You can have this for multi-strand necklace, for multi-strand bracelet. You can have a long earrings per se. There is a lot of options that you can play around with this kind of component. And then we have one 13 loop antique silver tone alloy chandelier component, which is right here, which is this. You can form a big pendant. It's very useful to make a statement necklace. I really like this. And then we have 10 petite antique silver tone alloy clasps. These are toggle clasps. Last but not least, we have 2 meters, not 1 meter, 2 meters 5 by 3 by 1 millimeter links, platinum tone iron cable chain. Very useful, I would say. Very nice and useful. This is the last one in our treasure bag. I hope you guys like this tutorial, this unboxing. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. I do upload videos couple of times a week. Past month I was in India, so I wasn't able to do that, but going forward I will do that properly. So I hope you guys like this. If you want to buy a treasure bag like this, which will be available next time, because the one which came already must have sold out, because it lasts only for 2 or 3 days and it's been a while. You should sign up for at Ggc'sTreasureBag.com. I will leave down the description box below the link for it, and also do check out GGC Treasure channel. I will leave down the description box below. It's GGC's Beginning Beaders, I believe the YouTube channel is. Gina's Gems Creations is another YouTube channel that Gina has, but I will leave down the description box below the link for both the channels. You guys can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.